continuing our ride out of the park. And so this is our little excursion at Zion. It's kind of cool. The river, the Virgin River that runs in the park is just right here on the right side. Okay, go ahead, Joe, so I can get you in a photo.
Okay.
So, Joe and the other kids went ahead. Joe and I were looking at some, so we're catching up. One thing to do is practice my line running on the white only. Oh, I'm still off quite a bit, but it's good to keep working on balancing, because a lot of the trail we ride are like really single. Oh, there they are. Yeah, let's go. Hey, much easier this way. All right. Woo-hoo. So this park is so busy that there is a bus shuttle run every 15 minutes at the most. All right, so I'm gonna go catch up with those kids. Woo! No wonder we were suffering coming up, because of the downhill. It was pretty dramatic. Practicing my white line. That's horrible. That's that. This is kind of a nice ride, and if anybody has not done this, it's good to do. Is ride the bike in the park. The climb up is a little tiring. It's hard to tell that you're climbing, but you are. I mean, you can tell it's very easy paddling here, and it's very speedy. So, but it's a nice ride around the park. Practicing my white line. Look at the view of the ride to the park. Pretty cool, huh? Go, Lenny. Yeah, don't fall asleep on the bike, okay? That wouldn't be good. Practice my white line. This is a good practice. Good, I forgot how many miles. I think it's like 7-8 miles to from the visitor center to Angel's Landing. I think it's about 7-8 miles. No wonder the when we came up, it was a little tough on the kids, especially Anna. And I was like, come on guys. But it was actually a gradual slope. Up and down. No wonder, because the way down here is pretty slopey, so we would not be able to ride this speed on the way up. But this is pretty cool. Bike out here, people. It's a lot funner. Look at the view that you got. And you can kind of enjoy it and feel some air. Woo! And so on. Yeah. On the trail now. This is called the Paris Trail. Woo! That was fun. Hey, it was nice coming down. I don't hear Anna complaining.